This is the lift at new looking Rugby. It's a Kanika disc. Door close button does work like that. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos, year made 2016. Here out 1. Go back down to G.
Going down.
Opens on both sides, on both floors, but on that side it's staff only. Here we are at G, and that's it.
Going up. Door closing.
This is the lift at Marks and Spencer in Rugby. It's an Otis Gen 2. Capacity is 21 persons, 1,600 kilos. Year made 2015.
Doors opening.
Go back down to G. Door close button does not work. We are back at G. And that's it.
Doors closing. Doors opening. Going
This is
up.
the lift at Home Sense in Rugby. It's an Otis Gen 2. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Year made 2016.
Doors closing.
Door close button does work like that. The last one had a Druce Grove voice. The last Otis lift. Here we are at G. And that's it. This is the lift at TK Maxx in Rugby. It's another Otis Gen 2 lift. Door close button does work like that. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Built in 2015. This one has no voice. Very much the same as the last one as well. Here we are back at G. And that's it. This is the lift at Halfords in Rugby.
Lift going down.
It's a Phoenix platform lift. Capacity is 2 persons or 1 person with a wheelchair, 400 kilos. It's a glass lift as well. It's a glass one. Here we are at G. And that's it. This is the first lift at Rugby Central.
Doors opening, going down. Please mind the door.
Door close button does
Doors
not work.
Closing. Going down.
Capacity is 19 persons, 1,425 kilos. It's a Crest lift, built in 2017. I think it used to be a Schindler. It's a bit slow, this lift. It's got ILE.
Floor 2.
We're at 2.
Doors
This
opening.
door. Back up to 4.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Going up.
Modernised in 2017. It used to be a Schindler, I think.
Floor 4.
Which door is it going to be?
Doors
This door.
opening. going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
And that's it. This is another lift at Rugby Central Shopping Centre. It's another ILE lift. This one's an MRL. It's an MRL, this one. And it's got a Z or ABEG motor up there. Here it is.
Going down.
Door close button does not work.
Please mind the doors. Going down.
It's another Crest lift. It used to be a Schindler. Capacity 19 persons, 1425 kilos. Replaced in 2017. I think this used to be a glass lift as well. Here we are, G.
Doors opening.
Go back up to 4.
Going up. Going up.
Used to be a Schindler, I think. It's got ILE logic and a Z or ABEG motor.
4th
Roll
floor.
4.
Doors opening.
And we'll watch the lift go down.
Going down.
There it goes. There's the Z or ABEG motor. I think it used to be a glass lift, but unfortunately it's not. And there we are. This is the other lifts at Rugby Central Shopping Centre car park. It's another MRL ILE lift, possibly a Crest as well. A set of 2 lifts. Got another Z or ABEG motor. I think these were Schindlers as well originally, and I think these were glass as well. This one on the right. Door close button does not work. This one has no voice. Capacity's 19 persons, 1425 kilos. Replaced in 2016. It's another Crest. Here we are, G. Go back up to 4 and we'll change. Quite nice, these Crest lifts, but they're not as good. They would have been better if they were glass. I think these used to be glass before. And it's this one. This one does not stop at the first floor.
Please mind the doors. Door
And this one has a glitchy voice.
Going.
Capacity is 19 persons, 1425 kilos, replaced in 2016. This one does not stop at the first floor. It does, but you need a key for the first floor.
Ground
Here we are,
floor.
G. Take this one up.
Doors.
And that goes. And that's it. Rugby Central. And it's £1. Takes cash and card payments. It's an S&B system. And there we go. And there's the receipt. The barrier open, and there we are.